And today's find is this beautiful one owner, since new, clean title, CARFAX certified, 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 quad cab short bed, 5.9 Cummins turbo high output with 61,000 original miles. Yes, you heard all that correct. This is a one owner truck. Same gentleman owned this truck since new. 61,000 original miles, 5.9 high output, 100% rust and corrosion free. The undercarriage of this truck is just as clean and shiny as this paint and exterior you're looking at. No signs, no records of any accidents ever. This truck is a perfect example of 100% stock Ram. There's zero alterations to the suspension or the powertrain. There's no tuners, there's no modifications, exhaust or intake or any of that stuff, nor is there any lift kit on it or whatsoever. Truck is 100% stock. I've walked around this truck and just finished taking pictures of it. I didn't see any dents. I didn't see any scratches whatsoever. All I saw is a truck that is 19 years old and looks like it is brand spanking new. There was a couple tiny little chip right here and right here that has been touched up. Other than that, this truck is extremely clean. Factory bed liner since new from Dodge. The owner had it installed. It has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck whatsoever. Here's the gems. Take a look at the gems. This is not a beat up or abused Ram at all. This was not a work truck. This was his pride and joy, drove on the weekends. Very rarely. 61,000 miles in 19 years. We do the math. It's less than, I think if I'm doing math correctly and quickly, about 5,000 miles, less than 5,000 miles a year. We just did a complete service to this truck. We installed a brand new 34-inch NITTO Rich Grappler 10-ply tires all the way around. Not like other dealers in competition where they put cheap Chinese tires. There's no corners saved here. You're spending good money and you want quality, that's what I give you. We did brand new brakes and rotors. We did a brake fluid flush. We did AC recharge, flush and AC recharge. The windshield wipers are brand new. New air filter as well. All the light bulbs have been checked, etc. I just started doing it, installing door edge on the doors to protect it. And I love the look of them, kind of the old school. This is a non-smoker truck. The interior is in excellent condition. Oh, I forgot. We just installed brand new seat motors for the vertical motors. These are very common. They go bad. So here, let's do that. Here's the front motor going up, going down. Here's the back motor going up and going down. Here's the whole seat going up and going down. And here's front and back. So all the common issues have been addressed, etc. This is a SLT Bighorn. So you got all the goodies, but just no leather. You got the nice wood trim interior, power windows, door locks, tilt, cruise, power seat, stereo. The headliner on this truck is in extremely clean condition. Looks like it is brand new. There's no sagging, there's no staining, there's no rips, there's no tears, there's no flaws. Same goes for the interior. Factory floor mats. Show you right here the headliner in the back. Now below the rear seats, you got the storage compartment with the foldable, I call it boot rack or rifle rack, and that is on both sides. Same thing there. The customer upgraded his rear slider to power slider, and there's the motor for it, and the switch is in the front, so you have a power rear slider on here. And if you want leather, we can upgrade the interior and put leather interior. But this interior is just like brand new. Take a look at the cushioning. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no issues at all. There's a little scrape right here. Look at the cushioning on the seat as well. Let me pop the hood and get this thing started and do the rest of the walk around for you. This engine sounds 100% healthy. There's no oil leaks at all. Batteries seem to be newer batteries, have been serviced. Take a look at this block. There's no corrosion, there's no discoloration whatsoever. Factory stamping. This is a 5.9 high output. Let me show you the undercarriage of this truck. Get ready here. When I say 100% rust and corrosion free, without BS. Look at the stamping. Here's the rockers. Let me zoom out a little. Stock exhaust, etc. So your 17-inch bighorn wheels with the new tires. Here's the passenger side. Mark right here. Take a look at the jack. It's never been taken out of the truck or laid on the ground. There's no scrapes, there's no scratches. Carpet is super clean. There's a couple of marks right here on the dash. On top of the dash is in excellent shape. There's no cracking or any issues at all. I love the fact that it has the manual 4-wheel drive selector. Take a look at your armrest. There's no dimples, there's no issues. Look back here. Put this back. Look at the backs of the seat. Pocket is not ripped or any issues at all. Again, so this is just extremely clean truck. There's zero blow-by on this 61,000 mile 5.9. Let's take a look here. Yes, it's running, and yes, zero blow-by. There's another way. Some guys like it this way, some guys like it the other way. I think point made here. Also, I had the older gentleman, looks like he had a few scuffs on the corners of the bumper and the rear bumper. So I had both front bumper and rear bumper, as well as the grill, the front grill, refinished and paint matched in the body color and got rid of the chrome. Gives it a nice little look, and did a blackout with gloss black on the emblem. So the front bumper, and this is why I said this truck looks like it's brand new. Front bumper has zero road rash or rock chips at all. Same goes for the rear bumper. Exactly, that's what I thought. I thought somebody scratched it. I was gonna get mad. And there's a rock chip. You can see it right there with a little hair. Other than that, this thing is like brand spanking new. So let's try the windows. I forgot. Here's the driver's side window. Rolls up at ease, rolls down at ease. Let's go to the passenger side. up and down. Let's go to the rear passenger side. Look how fast these motors go up and down. And driver's side rear, up and down. Also, we're going to turn the lights on. There's the rear slider. Looks like I gotta have the detail shop clean out the track a little bit. Only opens about halfway, so we'll do that. Other than that, here is, I turned the lights on. Let me turn the fog lights. Here's the horn. There's the stereo. Stock stereo. Here's all the lights on the inside.
We are 98.7 The Ball.
Let me turn the music down. Let's check out the lights. Headlights are on. Fog lights are on. Markers, etc. Let's go towards the back. There's your tail lights. And here's the license plate bulbs. Take a look at this hitch. I really don't think this gentleman ever towed anything with this truck. He just wanted to have a truck. Let's take a look at the roof. And all the glass is intact, in excellent condition. Now let's try the air conditioning. And it is blowing super cold. Let me just adjust the air to go up so I can turn that off. There we go. This thing feels like it's 20 or less than 20 degrees. It is super cold. Don't believe me on that. I think I just gotta find the right place to touch. Anyways, AC blows super cold, stereo works, all the pixels are there. There's the stereo knob, let me turn it on. No issues there. We tested out the headlights and everything there, so that is all done. Now, I can tell you the good stuff. I can qualify this 2006 for new car financing, which means I can finance it as if it's a 2022. I can offer you same interest rate and same terms. Up to 84 months, standard credit union financing on approved credit. I have a special program, like I always talk about it. Your bank, your credit union will not finance this age, nor for the term, or the interest rate, or the value. But I can help you. So no need to inquire on your credit and then get the no's and then come back to me. I can save you the hassle. If you got cash, easier for both of us. But if not, happy to help. That's number one. Number two, I can help you ship this truck right from my showroom, right to your front door. Doesn't matter where it is you live. Whether you're in Alaska, whether you're in Hawaii, New York, Chicago, Pennsylvania, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, you got the hint. Anywhere in the country, we work with shippers on a daily basis. We vet them. We make sure we work with tier 1 shippers. And we get competitive pricing. So let me know. Happy to help you and make this transaction really smooth. We do all your titling, registration, just as if you're buying this truck from your local dealer. Except here, it's easier. You're buying it while you're sitting down, watching this nice 16-minute video, looking at everything in detail, as well as I got 95 detailed pictures that you can zoom in, etc. Those are just regular pictures I take with my camera. These are not Photoshop. What you see is what you get. Check out my reviews. We'd be a complete 100% 5 stars. Got well over 400 reviews. We've captured a handful of just haters that never done business with us, never contacted us, but don't like our pricing. Well, as we all know, you're looking for quality and you want quality, quality and cheap can never be together. You gotta sacrifice one or the other. If you want good quality, you gotta pay for it. If you want cheap rust buckets, there's a lot other cheaper ones out there. What I'm doing here is I'm giving you a 19-year-old truck with 61,000 miles in new condition that you need to do nothing to it but fill it up with diesel and drive it and enjoy it. I've went through the truck all the way. It's got brand new, great tires, top of the line tires, good quality tires, not cheap Chinese tires. Fluids have been checked, gone through, flushed, etc. You don't find stuff like this every day. So hurry up and be the lucky guy to own this one, because low mileage, 5.9 high outputs don't last. And we sell every single one of them. So let's make this yours.